Maradona was Argentina's golden boy, unquestionably the greatest player of his generation and one of the greatest in the game's history. Born on 30 October 1960 at Lanús, Buenos Aires, Argentina, in a small village to a poor family, he was a fourth child to his parents. He raised himself out of poverty but never forgot where he came from. At age 3, he got a soccer ball gift from his relative. At age 8, he played for Argentina juniors team. Undoubtedly, he was the greatest soccer player on the earth. On the field, however, Maradona was as close to perfect as the game is ever likely to find. He played football in an era not meant for players of his abilities. Pitches were mud baths or dry and dusty, and defenders were given free rein to skate him down as they pleased. But still, Maradona shined and shone and far brighter than any of his contemporaries. While he was already an icon before Argentina's victorious 1986 World Cup campaign, his performances in Mexico, in particular the quarter-final against England. In 1986, he captained Argentina to World Cup final win. He had single-handedly taken Argentina to finals victory. Quarter-final against England, his first goal was infamous hand of God goal. He later said the goal came thanks to a little with the head of Maradona and a little with the hand of God. 4 minutes later, he scored what has been described as the goal of the century, collecting the ball in his own half before embarking and bewitching Messi run that left several players trailing before he rounded Shilton to score. The first goal was dubious, the second was a bloody miracle by former England manager Sir Bobby Robson. You have to say that is magnificent. There is no doubt about that goal. That was just pure football genius, said BBC commentator Barry Davies. Maradona appeared in 4 successive World Cups for Argentina between ages of 21 and 33. He played his first World Cup in 1982 before going on to represent his country in 1986, 1990 and 1994. The exploits of Maradona in 1986 will be remembered forever. He had 10 goal involvements in the tournament, 5 goals and 5 assists in 7 games, overall 8 goals in 4 World Cup finals, and starting stats since 1966. One of the game's most gifted players, the Argentini boasted a rare combination of flair, flamboyance, vision and speed which mesmerized fans. The attacking midfielder went on to accumulate 34 goals in 91 appearances for Argentina. When he played, it was a treat to watch. He and Pelé are 2 greatest legends of the game. His hand of God goal was very famous among soccer fans and to soccer world. Amazing dribbling skills to give very tough fight to his opponents in soccer field. He led Napoli club into greater victories in league club matches. Maradona won 5 trophies with Napoli, including 2 Serie A honors at Barca. He founded success with 3 trophies as well. He regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. In 2000, Pelé and Maradona were named co-players of the century by FIFA Player of the 20th Century, the international soccer governing body, but the Brazilian insists of comparing the 2 icons is not important. Maradona's vision, passing, ball control and dribbling skills were combined with his small stature, which gave him a low center of gravity, allowing him to maneuver better than most of other players. Maradona possessed to be a free kick specialist, a precocious talent. Maradona was given the nickname El Pibe de Oro, the Golden Boy. Maradona scored 311 goals for his various clubs. He played the best club football of his career in Italy. He won 9 titles for various clubs. An advanced playmaker who operated in the classic 10 jersey, Maradona was the first player to set the world record transfer fee twice. In 1982, when he transferred to Barcelona for 5 million, and in 1984, when he moved to Napoli for a fee to 6.9 million. Although Ronaldo and Messi are current generation greatest players, neither Ronaldo nor Messi seems to possess the same powers of transcendence that coursed through Maradona's career and life. He also had a troubled off-field life and was banned in both 1991 and 1994 for abusing drugs. World-renowned soccer icon lost by tribute pour from all over the world. Millions pay their final respect to soccer legend. He was given respect similar to Argentinian king and first lady, but the wave of grief triggered by his passing is still cresting around the planet. Importantly, Pelé, who is a Brazilian soccer legend and icon, quoted by saying, "Today I know that the world would be much better if we could compare each other less and start admiring each other more." He added, "So I want to say that you are incomparable. Your trajectory was marked by honesty, and in your unique and particular way, you taught us that we have to love and say I love you a lot more often." Pelé has paid a new emotional tribute to his great friend Diego Maradona. Both men are considered two of the best players in history and shared a good relationship in the years after their retirement. Many people love to compare us all their lives. "You were a genius that enchanted the world, a magician with the ball at his feet, a true legend." Pelé wrote this message in social media. Napoli Stadium named Diego Maradona in remembrance of him, who won their only 2 Serie A cups. Maradona had a tattoo of Argentine-born Marxist revolutionary Ernesto Che Guevara on his right shoulder, an integral part of the Cuban Revolution and close aide of Fidel Castro. Che was killed by US-backed Bolivian forces in 1967 during his attempt to ignite rebellion in the country. The football great reportedly likened himself to Guevara and declared the revolutionary his hero. A great loss to soccer world. With his death, millions of Argentines and soccer fans have lost a link to a glorious past, one in which they and Maradona ruled the world of football. Long live Maradona in the heart of soccer fans. Kindly like, share and comment to this video, and please subscribe to our channel.